Alright guys, you're welcome back to another episode of Do It Yourself Complete Mini Importation Training. So in today's segment, we are going to be talking about how you can order from the same city or a certain city in China. We all know that China is a very big place and a very big country that have different province, right? So, and at the same times, you know that festive period is presently fast approaching right now. So if you want to order your items from China very fast, and also I'm going to be showing you the benefit of you using this method is that it's going to help your supplier to deliver that item very fast, in the sense that since it's the same city with your warehouse address, they will be able to deliver it if possible that same day you order. Then if it is not possible, maybe the next day they are going to deliver it, since it's the same city in China. That is the same method that I'm going to be sharing with you in this tutorial. All right, so if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, coming across my TikTok channel, please do. Without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So this is my 1688 account now. So if I want to, let's say I want to search for Blender now, let me click on let me use my Google Translator here. Let me say I want to search for Blender, or I want to buy Blender. Whichever thing you want to buy, you are going to search it here. Then you click on search. So by default, it's going to search it here, and you can see that we have different types of what's this? I think this is not showing me. Okay, this is one Blender here. So you click on the Blender here and you did not see the search results. Maybe it's bringing something different. In that case, what you will do is just scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down a little bit, just click on this guy here. It's going to filter the right session for you. You can see that what we have in the home screen here is quite different from when I click here. Now you can see that it's showing the results of the Blender. So for those who don't know how to search for it, that is another tips that I just give you for free now. So now once you get to this page, this Blender that you are seeing here is being uploaded from different suppliers from different regions in China. You can see that it's coming from different regions in China. All right, so now once you are finally gotten to this level or this stage here, what you want to do now is to filter out the city that you want to buy from. Like I've told you before now, that is another added advantages. So if they are to charge you for local shipping fee, since it's the same city, since you are ordering from the same city, that local shipping fee will not be much. All right, so you are going to click on this drop down arrow here, which simply means location. If you are to translate it, it means location. All right, so you click on the drop down arrow. Once you click on it, it's going to bring out this page. Now this is where you want to choose the region you want to go for. Now let me screenshot this page now and go to my Google Translator, show you what is in this page. Okay, let me zoom in. Now this is the location, the drop down arrow that I told you to drop down. So the region that we have in China is 1 2 3 4 5, I think, up to here. So different regions have their own different cities. Now the first one here is Guangdong. You can see we have Guangdong here, we have then Zhejiang here, then Jiangsu, then we have Shandong. All right, the popular one is Guangzhou and Shenzhen. Now I think if you are using Skyjet is around Guangdong. If you want to get this, maybe you are using a Skyjet shipping company and you want to order from the same city. Now let me cancel this guy here to show you what we have. Let's see Skyjet. Okay, now this is Skyjet's warehouse. We have what do we have here? You can see that this is Guangdong here province. See, so if you want to order from that same city, you can click on Guangdong. So under Guangdong we have Banyong district, once you click on Guangdong province, you are going to go for Guangdong. All right, I hope you are getting the detailed explanation now. So now let me go to the Google Translator now and select this Guangdong city. So let me find the city here. Okay, so let's assume let me wait for this guy. Now, like I've told you before, now the first one is, so this is what we have on the page now. Now we are going to filter out the city, the right city for this product here, so we can get the same results with our shipping company. Now let me screenshot this page and go to, so once I screenshot this page now, I will head over to my Google Translator, so I'll be able to filter it out. So guys, this is my Google Translator now. You can see that the first city here is Guangdong. Guangdong is what we are going to be selecting. So after we select Guangdong, we are going to move to the next one, which is the next province there. So let's select the first one here as Guangdong. I've already selected it. So selecting it, clicking on this one now give me the next province under Guangdong. So we are going to screenshot again. So once you screenshot, you will still go to your Google Translator to select the right province for this product. So you can see that these are the regions under this Guangdong that we selected here. These are the region under it, and under it, remember, on my SkyJet app we have Guangdong here, which is the first option here. So if your shipping company regions falls under the other ones here, you can easily select it, but for SkyJet it falls under this Guangzhou here. So I'm going to be selecting this first one here. So once I click on this guy now, I'm done selecting the regions and the province of my shipping company. So once I click on this orange guy here now, it's going to filter out directly the supplier that have this blender in my shipping company's province and city, so to avoid charging me extra fee or maybe higher RMB. Remember, it's the same city, so it will be able to it will be easy for them to deliver this product. So let me click on this guy now. So it's going to filter out. You can see that we have 1A. That means it has filtered it out. Now these blenders that you are seeing here is in Guangdong, the same city with my shipping company. So it makes it very easier for them to deliver it to the same city, just like you are buying from a supplier in the same state that you are presently in. So it will be easy to deliver it. Now all the suppliers now are in the same city with my shipping companies. All right, so this, I hope this video have been able to help you in one way or the other. Mind you, this is not applicable for blender alone. It is applicable for any product you are buying on 1688. So I have another video that I'm going to be leaving you with under the description button. You can also check the comment section where you can also buy on 1688 without paying for local shipping fee at all. All right, so do well to watch the video, and thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.